Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Today we have the Dumb Wireless and Unpluq collaboration, which is essentially a Pixel 4. And yes, you can do this yourself. But if you want somebody to do it for you, this is what this review is for. Let me show you how it comes. So essentially what comes pre-installed is phone, messages, maps, camera, Spotify, Unplugged, and calendar. And that's it. You actually cannot even access some of the settings. So if you want to access the settings, it will block you, as you see right there. Even if you try to go into the settings right here, it will block you again, because again, this is a phone that is just supposed to be super minimal. And this is using before launcher. As you see right here, I've used it before, so I can tell what it is. But essentially it's, it has all of the other apps, but all of them are blocked. So if you try to use anything except these, it will block you. So right there, YouTube Music, nope, you cannot use it. So how do you use it? Well, they ship you with your purchase a Unplugged tag. So if you want to access YouTube Music, you will go to the NFC, and right there, Unplug always. And right there, you will be, all the apps are now unblocked. So I can access Chrome if I wanted to and stuff like that. This is not a permanent solution if you want to keep the tag with you all the time. But if you quote unquote lose the tag, then you will not have access to anything else but these apps. And of course, you can configure the apps for yourself and then lock it again. Where is the value on this? I think the value on this is that it's similar to the Ghost phone, for example, in that it allows you to keep certain apps and it removes other ones. I think you can also ask them to remove everything else for you, since you're paying $299 for this device. And on top of that, you get a lifetime Unplug key, right, with the tag and the lifetime license for Unplug, which I think it's about $200 or $150 with a discount or something like that. So you're paying $150 for the phone and $150 for the value of having Unplug for a lifetime. Of course, you can always block the apps again. As you see, all of the apps right there are blocked, all of the ones. And as you see, everything else is available. So even Zoom, I think, is available as well. So if you want to use Zoom, it's pre-installed and it's kind of like ready for you to use, which I think it's a good advantage for Pixel 4. You get the ability to use a lot of these apps that you want, and then you get to customize it wherever you want to. Now, if you want essentially somebody else, or you want to add, different things like the settings, of course, we can go to, let me open an app and unblock it. No, calendar is available. Calculator, there you go. Oh, that one's available too. Chrome is probably not. So boom, right there somewhere. Boom, there you go. So now I open, and I assume I can go to my settings now. Yep, and add my Wi-Fi, my mobile connection, other things, NFC, you want to, check it out and whatnot, then you get to use it that way. So I think the value in this is that it's pre-configured only with these things. And if you don't want to use the tag and you only want to use these apps, maybe one more like WhatsApp or something like that, you preload it, you set it up, and then you're good to go. As a reminder, you can also purchase a Unplugged tag with lifetime license from them, I believe. And of course, that is cheaper than purchasing the whole phone if you already have a phone that has NFC and has Android and you're willing to set it up. But if you want them to set it up for you, then I think it's kind of like the equivalent of a light phone with a couple of extra features and of course smarter features. Of course, the light phone has a very similar kind of like phone, calendar, directions, podcast, music, alarm, hotspot calculator, things like that. This one is phone, messages, maps, camera, Spotify, Unplugged, calendar. So it's essentially the same features, just in a smart package. And of course, you will have maps that are Google Maps. They can work better. Of course, the other competitor, which would be the Ghost phone, has more open source apps, whereas this one is just using the default that comes with the Pixel. But the good thing about this specific device and the value that it brings with the Unplugged tag is that you can customize it, number one. And number two, it's available in, for bands for the whole world, because this is a Pixel 4. It's unlocked. You can use it anywhere in the world without any issues. So I'm really excited to see what this brings. And it's another alternative. Of course, you can also pair it with your Dumb Wireless SIM card plan, which they have now. And, if you want to support the company and kind of have like T-Mobile Signal, that's what they use with this. You can check it out there for all of your needs. So If you have any questions about this device or any of the other devices that I have reviewed, make sure to leave it in the comments below. I'll be interacting with you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.